What's up, guys? Me, Donnie, and Hawk Simpson. We're back at it again this afternoon, guys. It's Friday the 16th, and I was gonna go to my other spot, guys, where I caught that last flathead, but road's closed. Yeah, the bridge, so I have to go way out of my way just to get over there. You can't get across the interstate right now, so they're working on damn bridges everywhere around here. But yeah, we're back down the old spilling way down here, the old wastewater treatment plant. So we're gonna go down here and check out a spot down below it and see if there's anything home, guys. We'll see. Definitely get some bluegills right there at the spillway, and then fish that rock bank right below it. So yeah, guys, let's go see if there's anything home. Likes content like always, hit the like and subscribe, guys, and let's go slay some fish. Hopefully some big old fatties, some big old fatty flatties, or some monster gar or whatever. I got on some decent gar last time I was down here, so let's go see if something's wanting to chew, guys. I'll see you down on the water later. Alright, guys, first cast with the old chatter donk. Yep, just got down. I was casting for bluegill and then I moved the other side. Said, well, I'll cast the old chatter donk, see if there's any bassies out here. This dude showed up. Yep. Oh yeah, there you go. See the guys, big brothers out there. He tagged it right out there off that point. See the bigger stripies out there, guys. Before we move downstream, just catfishing. We got one bluegill. We'll try over here on this other side of this before I walk down. And I got some rocks right in front of where I'm fishing at too, so try it also for some more bluegillies. There's one, guys. That's a big one. He's racing downstream. What we got here? Oh yeah, that's a mad stripey, buddy. That's a big one too, guys. Well, I found some stripies up in here. I started beat up on these guys for a minute, guys, before we go catfishing. Sorry. Stripies are my fave, especially when they're that size. That's a tank. Yeah. Alright, guys, first trip of the afternoon. Big old stripey. He's probably 5 pounds or so. Get him up there to check him out. I'll be right back. On Old Simpson, guys. Old chatter donk putting in work. Come here, buddy. Let's get this guy landed, guys. Pull him over to these Rockies. Pull him over to these Rockies. Come here, buddy. Come here. Yeah, you big old tank. Come here. Come here. We're freaking out. Yeah, guys. Look at that toad. That's nice stripey. Nice freaking stripey there. Yes, sirree, guys. That's a nice stripey. Yeah. It's fatty. Fatty. Oh yeah. Hi guys, there he is. He's a fat one, probably If I had to guess, probably pushing 4 or 5 pounds, but yeah, he's thick too, healthy, nice stripey. We're gonna let him back. Let him go and let him grow, guys. Let him go and let him grow. Get the release on this dude. All right, hey, going back, guys, going back. Bye-bye, my friend. Thank you for biting. Hey, going, guys. Back to the depths. Hunting Hogs Henson. Check out the YouTube channel. New videos coming up every week, usually, so check it out, guys. Gotta like and subscribe. Appreciate it. All right, guys. Let's try it again. That was nice. That was nice, guys. We'll start this clip real quick. All right, here we go again, guys. Pitched it up in there. Someone, oh, look at that, guys. I no sooner pitched it up in there, didn't he reel it, and he was on there. Oh, ho, 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 ho. These suckers are stacked up in here, guys. They are stacked. I picked the right time of day to come down here too. Oh man, look at the size of this one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is too much fun, guys. This is too much fun. I needed this. All right, guys. Very next cast, number 2. He's just as big as that first one. We'll get him out, let you guys see him. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come to daddy. Come here. Come to daddy. Come here, quick. Gotcha. Yeah, that's a nice one too, guys. He about destroyed my whale though. Yes, he did. I'm gonna fix that. Yeah. Oh yeah, guys. Stripey number 2. Another nice, just fat, healthy fish, guys. They look healthy this year. That's good. Good sign of a healthy fishery. All right, guys. Number 2, back-to-back cast. Yep, that's number 3 actually. I didn't show you guys the first little bitty one I caught, but yeah, it's actually number 3, but number 2 for you guys. Let him go, guys. Let him go and let him grow. I'm getting this on the GoPro. There we go. On my camera. It's hard to do both at the same time, guys. All right, there he goes. He gone off to the depths. Let's get another one. Oh yeah, that was like instantaneous, guys. As soon as it hit the water, he was on it. Man, he annihilated my whale. I haven't been another one yet, but so I'll keep this one back on in a minute. Get back up in there real quick. There we go. Yeah, it's too much fun, guys. This is too much fun. Get deep enough. Couple more pitches and we're gonna move on. Come back up here and pull the lead tonight. See if they're hanging out up here at nighttime. We'll do that before we leave. Alright, guys, we'll move on downstream. I'll be back with you guys. Alright, guys, we're officially fishing. We're at the spot. I got rods out. I got a live bluegill, live sucker, and a cut bluegill head on. We'll start off with that and see what happens. See a ton of action out there. Catching bluegill right now while I'm waiting. More bait, just in case. shit. What the fuck was that, guys? I got something taken off of this one too. Yeah, what the hell? Is that fish? That's my live sucker. Something's got him, guys. Oh shit. What size is that damn fish? Hell, is that a gar? There it was huge, guys. Huge. He's got my bait in his mouth, cruising. Oh, I missed him. Yeah, that was a big one too. That was a big fish. Man. He swacked the shit out of it just like that one just did, my sucker. Damn it. Damn, wonder if he got it. Let me rebait this one real quick, guys. Rebait this. Put these cuts in on it. Slip his tail off. Big old fat bluegill. Throw him in the cooler. I'm gonna bite my cut bait now. Bite on this cut bait rod. Nice fat old bluegill there. Get him way over there. Some rocks. Gone with that bait, guys. He is freaking gone with it. I don't know what it is. I just picked it up and ran with it. Motherfucker. He's running downstream. Where you going, fish? Huh? Where you at? Where are you at? Huh? Where's this fish at? He's right here by me. He's right here by me. That sucker head, boy. This dude's like right at my feet. Eating this sucker. There he goes. Here we go. Taking him down ever so slowly. Yep. Got his ass, guys. We got him. Oh, he came off. Damn. He must have been wrapped up in my line. That was a big gar. Ooh, 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 ooh. God damn, guys. What the hell was that? That's a big sucker. A little flatty, maybe? Or what? Damn. What? She murdered the shit out of that fucker there. How can you get it off there? Yeah, as soon as I shut you guys off, guys, this rod here started going down again. Yeah, I got a bite on this cut bait over here too now. Yeah, he started to take off with his damn fucking sucker. I don't know what happened with him. He quit all of a sudden though. And here we go, cut bait. Here we go, it's taking him down, guys. Here we go. Got it, dude? Huh? Got something, guys. That's a kitty cat. I wonder if that's a kitty cat. Ooh. Might be a cat, guys. Might be a kitty. Oh, it is too, guys. Big old kitty cat, yeah. That's what I want to see. Yes, sir, Bob. That's what I want to see. Big old kitty cat. Yeah, big old Channy. Big old Channy, man. Let's get this dude in real quick, guys. Let's get this dude in. Yeah, buddy. I appreciate you biting. Yes, I do. Big dog. Quit. Quit, you're getting me all wet, dumbass. Open your mouth. Open that damn mouth, fish. Open up. Open up. You can open up, fish. He's got sharp ass teeth too, guys. Yeah. That's a nice kitty cat, guys. That's a nice kitty cat there. Yes. Hit right in the corner of the damn mouth. As it should be. This fish missing an eyeball. Oh yeah, I got him on that sucker head, guys. Got him on the old sucker head. Yeah, give you guys a good shot of him. Yeah, it's a nice chinny, guys. Nice fat chinny. Probably about 5 pounds. Maybe I ain't gonna weigh him. Get a photo, video of him real quick. We'll get the release on him. Quit. Teeth are sharp, dude. Your teeth are sharp, buddy. Yes, sir. Alright. Let him go so he can live another day. Alright, we'll get this camera pointed down. You guys can see it too on the old GoPro here. Alright, kitty cat. Be nice to me. Be nice. There he goes, guys. Got my foot all wet, but yeah. Slam shit out of it. I thought it was a gar at first, but nope. No gar fish. Big old chinny cat. I'll get that bait back out there again. So we get another one, guys. And I'll sense him. On them tonight. On them tonight. Looks, dude. Oh, he's going to eat that bait. Let's see, in a minute. Got his ass, guys. Got it, whatever it is. Big old gar. Big old gar. Yeah. That's gnarly, dude. He is a big gnarly dude. He ate that damn sucker too. I can't believe that. Yeah, it's hard to believe. Big gnarly gar, guys. A big one. I'm not sure I can get him landed. I'm tearing me up too bad. Get me grippers here. Get me grippers. I swallowed the damn hook. Like they always do. They're about half retarded like that. That's a nice fat gar, guys. That's a fatty. Definitely a fatty. Definitely a fatty. There, dude. Come on. Come here. Put that damn beak up. Good, I got him. Yeah, pretty good. Yep, pretty good, pretty good. Very. So we get this bucket. Hook out, or I'll probably cut it. Or I'd cut the line. Alright. Yeah, he's a massive one, guys, but still nice gar. Nice garfish, nice garfish. Yep. Do video real quick and I'll let him go. There he goes. Big old gar he's got. Cut bait, or actually a big old live sucker. Ate that huge ass sucker I had. Yeah. I was hoping there's a flathead, but nope. Oh, something's got my bluegill. Gotta go, guys. Shit. Yep. I'm taking off that bluegill, guys. Set him down for a minute. Here this is. What we got here? Huh? Ooh, what the hell? That's weird. The bluegill's like way over here now, guys. Gar maybe. Oh gosh, what the hell was that? That was something big. That was something big. Damn it. There's so much slack in my damn line. I couldn't tell what was going on. That's real smart, Mr. Fish. Mr. Garfish. Alright. Oh, we got gear back. Okay. Get a hook on there. Alright guys, so let's gargo. Garfish. Let's get some bait back out there. I only got one now. There you go, butthole. Go home. There he goes, guys. He's cruising. Alright. Alright guys, I'll be back. This is a bluegill. Oh, slack, didn't he? He's fucking big. Look at you, bluegill. This man munching you or what, dude? Look at that bluegill. He's slack as shit. Something fucking with him. Something got him. Just keeps giving me slack. What the hell? Damn it. Where's this fish at? Right at my feet. Alright guys, spot number 2. Spot number 2. That line's out. I'm gonna start throwing some baits. There's these trappers up in here. It's really not all that dark, so. Whoa, what the hell? What happened there? That's a bite, guys. I think that's a bite. Yep. On the headpiece. Yeah, the battery's died. I want to see this. Oh, you see this, guys? Now I'll turn on my spotlight. Oh, wrong one. See that over there? Freaking deer. Been wading upstream. Here's a bite too, guys. Look at this shit. Oh my god, yeah. What the hell? Drop it. That was a nice bite. Yeah, big old deer over there though. On that bank, just been walking up this way. Now I care in the world that I'm here. That's a pretty good bite, guys. That was a pretty good bite. Hope he comes back for it. Oh, the head bait now. Getting chomped. Yes, it is. Some action guys. Definitely got some action. Alright, there goes this other bait now. And which one do I get? This one's taking off too. Shit. Put this one back somewhere. I need to turn the spotlight off. Turn the other lamp on. Alright guys, here he goes. Here he goes. I think I missed him. Oh no. I got snagged up on top of it. Alright, fucker. Come on, it's right there. He dragged me up on the damn banks, what he did. Alright, I'm gonna risk it for biscuit and run down there so I can get it out real quick. Striking's out here, guys. Striking's down. Ooh, cut bait. Yeah, going down, guys. Straight up. Come on, dude. Get off of it. Yeah. There we go. So I'm cruising with it. Come on. Big old cat. Stupid gar. It stopped. Here we go, guys. Taking off with it. Come on, get up on top. Got him. Got his ass. Whatever it is, guys, we got him. Yes, we did. What is this? Gar or kitty cat? Can't tell till we get him up there. What is this? What is that? That's a kitty cat, guys. Yes, sirree, Bob. Another kitty. Another nice kitty. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I can deal with that. Yes, sirree, Bob. I can deal with that. I can catch those all night long. Alright, dude. Get you up here, get a look at you. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here, big boy. Quit flipping and flappings. That's a nice channy. Yes, sirree. That's a decent channy, guys. Decent channy. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. That's a nice one, guys. Alright. We'll set that down there. Alright, guys. Let's get this dude back in. Get the release on this dude. Alright, buddy. Appreciate you. Just gonna toss you down in there, buddy. Sorry. Oh, yeah. Be gone, guys. Be gone. Alright. Get another bait out there so we can get another one. That was nice. I'm not surprised. I like old channies. Some people don't like catching channies, guys. I really don't mind. I kind of like them. Yep. They're not too bad. Not too bad of a fishy to catch. Tell you the truth. There we go. Alright, let's take it. We got that bait going down, guys. I just threw that out. Yeah. Just threw it out. Something's already hit it. What do we got here? There's a big old cat. It's way out there too. There it was. Sear cast. My chatterbait now. Hopefully. There's the other cut bait now. Got 2 bites, got 2 rods, guys. What do I do? What do I do? It's like, which one do you take? The other one's more aggressive, I guess. The more aggressive of the two. There's something on that bluegill. There's something eating that bluegill. Damn. All 3 rods going now. Same damn time. No chances of that. Oh, goddamn. Let's pick that one up. We'll get a little more serious with it than the rest of these. Come on. How you doing, buddy? Something ate my bluegill, guys. Something ate my bluegill. Taking off with it. Hoping it ain't gar. Probably is. That feels like it. Whatever it is, I catch it. I can put it on video and I can maybe get out of here in a little bit. Come on, fishy. Take the bluegill. Can't cast my damn other rods. Maybe something's hitting that one. That cut bait I just threw out too. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Keep swimming. Come on. Show me what you got. Show me you got the mustard. Come on. Come on. Come on, dude. Getting late. I'm ready to go home. Yeah, there's something fucking with that. That bait is going to take off with too. Yep, it sure is right now. Damn it. Come on, rod. Get out somewhere. Fuck. Goddamn rod. Come on. Alright, here we go. Here we go, guys. That's it. That crick chub, I think. Got him. That might be a cat, guys. That might be a cat. Yeah, I bet it is. But that's a big old kitty cat. Bet that's another big old kitty cat, guys. Yeah. Nice cat, whatever it is. I ain't gonna walk down that way. He's already in my other lines, damn it. Yep, like he is. Come on. Get up here. Get them damn rocks. Come on. Damn, guys. It's a nice fucking fish. Nice fish, whatever it is. It's big. Hopefully it ain't a damn turtle. It's a fish, guys. It's pretty heavy. Yeah. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. What did we get, guys? Is this a damn fish? Look at a turtle. I'm gonna break it off. What the hell was that? Just got a glimpse of it. Big ass freaking soft shell turtle. That thing's huge, guys. The size of this turtle. Holy moly. This thing's enormous. I get the damn hook right in his neck too. Yeah, that thing's like huge, humongous, guys. I'm not caught one that big in a long ass time. I get my pliers, try to get him off. Freak. Damn it. That's what might be a big old cat. That's my crick chub too. Where the fire's at. I ain't touching this big dude. Big mean bastard. Ow. Come here. Let's get this dude loose. One of my other rods go down. Yeah, come here. Come here, big dude. Come here. Get off some damn rocks. Shooting. You gotta see him. The big dude. A big dude. Come here. Yeah, well, you did it to yourself, buddy. You did it to yourself. I swear to God, you bite me, I will choke you the hell out. So bad. But you will not like it, Mr. Turtle. Let me assure you that. Come on. Yeah, circle hook ain't easy to get out. If you pulling on it. We got him off, guys. Got him off. He's off to the races. Oh. The rest of the crick chub on there. Toss it back out. See what else we can catch. Catchy. Trying to throw some lures too, guys, but ain't working out so well. Man, I'm dangerously low on bait. I'm gonna use a bluegill in this. I'll try to split this tail off for morsels. Alright guys, I'm gonna flip this up in here a few times. So give me a stripey real quick and we're out of here. Gathered on. Guys, I'm gonna wrap it up.